It's our last week of holidays. I go back to school on Monday, so I have 6 days left. And on Sunday, my older sister left to go back to Cape Town. That's the last time she's going to leave alone because I'm moving to Cape Town next year. And yesterday, my sister's boyfriend Seth ordered the new iPhone 11, but just the normal one, not the one with the 3 cameras, just the one with the 2 cameras. And it arrived yesterday, so we unboxed it. It's really, really cool.
Change the beauty spot.
What?
Because it's in the wrong place and it won't let me.
What are you doing? You're making?
Emoji thing.
A memoji.
Confirm that's my hair though.
And today is 11:30 and I'm waiting for Mel to finish drama at school, and then we are going to Fine Line because I'm going to get a cartilage piercing over here roundabout, because I have 1 and 3 in this side, so it's kind of uneven. So I thought about putting one there, getting the piercing, and then we're going to go to Belito just for the day. So I mean, this is going to be my first vlog, but I'm just gonna see if anything exciting happens today. Smile. Check how blue my eyes look. Come here. Mine also do. We're so different. This is so weird. We're waiting for Carmen to go get the piercing. Where's Seth? Let's do it like other side, other side.
I could have found the power bank, but like this just is what it is.
It's like so red, but it hurt really bad.
It looks good.
You can't even see it, which is good for school. You're gonna make it full. We just finished at Fabrica. It was nice. Mom's there. Got this chocolate.
Not even showing me how to get out of here.
So lunch was nice, hey Mom?
Can I go?
We were supposed to go to Belito, but we didn't go all the way there. We just went to Sunningdale at Fabrica. We went there. Right there. Quite nice. Now we're going home to sleep. Nap time. Okay, good morning everyone. Today is Thursday, and the last time I vlogged was on Tuesday because I didn't think to vlog yesterday because there was nothing to do. I didn't really get up to anything, so I'm gonna carry on today. It is about 11:30 and I had art this morning. Seth left early this morning to go to Cape Town to go see Karen. I think they're going to Daisy's this weekend, and Mel and I decided that today we'll go up to Belito because it's so hot outside. Real excited for some sushi.
Oh, we actually need sushi.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Yeah, you're right. You're on the right thing. But should we go for sushi first?
No, it's 20 to 12. I had breakfast like 3 hours ago.
As everyone knows, we're going to Belito. And we live in Umhlanga. So Belito, according to maps, is 29 minutes away from where we live. But there is a reason. There is a reason that Mel and I have decided on this hot Thursday, we have decided to trek all the way to Belito. Our family loves sushi. We love ourselves some good sushi. And ever since, what, grade like 7, we've been going to Beluga in Gateway, the mall right by our house. Due to unfortunate reasons, they have shut down Beluga in Gateway, and they have really good sushi there, and it's always on half price. So there's a Beluga at Belito. Coincidence? I think not.
I was about to say that.
So that's 50% of the reason why we are going to Belito, because they have really good sushi.
I want to like zoom past this little button.
have arrived after 29 minutes. We're at Zara's cafe, just getting something to drink and cake. We got one piece of carrot cake, but she very kindly cut it in half for us. Melbourne Marlin milkshake. I got a white chocolate, very good. Is mine not done? Is mine not done?
They even put the soy sauce on the side. Oh, how sweet. I asked them not to put balsamic vinegar on my sushi, but I was mistaken. It was soy sauce.
He's putting the mayo on it. I can see he's putting the mayo on something. I just hope it's mine. It's not. It is. Did he put it in a pineapple? Yeah, but let's take it out and ginger. Look how cool this is. Hi. So, don't close it. Don't close it. So what happened?
Just put on the light.
Oh. I don't know how to do this. Okay, wait. Let it focus. Let it focus. Okay. So what happened?
Get my phone out.
You know, watching this, that we wanted to go to Beluga. We came here to go to Beluga, and
we came to Belito.
We came to Belito, and my mom was like, check if Beluga, where it is, and if it's still open and all of that. So I was like, Mom, no, it's fine, don't worry. It definitely will be open. Little did we know, it is completely shut down. I mean, I googled it. So we went to the place Fish instead, and I got a poke bowl. It was so good. Mel got,
sushi.
Yeah, I still got leftovers. I'm gonna take it home and eat it for dinner.
To end off this video.
Yeah, to end of this video, I just want to say thanks for watching, thanks for getting this far, thanks for not clicking off the video. And new vlogs are coming, so like and subscribe and watch my previous video if you have no idea why I restarted this YouTube. So thanks for watching.